Today I'm ranking every graveyard slime at the Peachybbies warehouse. But what is a graveyard slime? These are our graveyard slimes, and these are leftover slimes from our experiments and our YouTube videos. We can't sell these because they tend to be kind of old, crusty, and weird. So we're in the slime warehouse. These are all the ones that you'll see at peachybbies.com. We have like stuff like s'mores, dragon fruit candy, froggy boba slush, strawberry cow, emo axolotl. There's so many slimes here. So if you want a slime, maybe go to peachybbies.com. We're gonna rank our graveyard slimes between 1 and 5 stars, and if a slime gets 1 star, then we're gonna use our wheel of improvement to help fix that slime. Our first graveyard slime is the Lego slime. So some lore behind this is that this slime was actually for sale on our website for $10,000. Now, for some reason, nobody bought it, which I think is pretty silly because this slime is freaking awesome. As you can see, it's a really fun, unique slime. The question is, does it hurt when you squeeze it? I'm gonna put that theory to the test. 3, 2, 1. All right, it kind of hurts, but overall, this slime is actually not too bad. Anna reactivated this one about a month ago, so it's slowly getting sticky, but this is just a clear slime with Legos. It's really cool that you can just kind of see all the different colors of the Legos. And look at this giant piece that has broken off. This slime is actually not too bad, so I am gonna give this one a solid 2 stars. But let's move on to our next one. This next one is gonna give us some trouble. It looks super clear, but if I jiggle the slime, it moves around, and slime really shouldn't be doing that. This is why I'm wearing gloves, so I don't get my hands super sticky. Whoa. Slime isn't supposed to do that. Low key though, this is kind of fun. It's so satisfying. I'm gonna give this one a 1 star, and let's see how we can improve the slime. Bringing out our trusty wheel of improvement. Everybody clap it up at home. Yeah, woo, woo. There we go. Nail polish. Let's give it a shot. We have our new activator bottle, so let's throw some activator. Whoa, this is awesome. So we're just gonna douse this thing. And then I am gonna try to mix this with my hands. That should be enough. And now I'm gonna do an awesome slime push in. Just stick my hand in. Whoa. Oh, that feels so weird. Okay, now we're gonna try to hand mix it. Just feels so like slimy, which I know I'm playing with slime, but like it literally feels very, very slime. Oh, this is giving me a workout. Gym membership? No, I just make slime at Peachybbies. I'm gonna call it quits there. I'm not gonna mix this by hand. We're gonna need the mixer. I threw this glue in the mixer and then obviously added more activator, and then we added our nail polish, which yes, this is real nail polish. And this is definitely gonna make this slime look way cooler because the color is gonna be completely different. Now that this slime has finally mixed, this slime has already improved a ton. It kinda looks like salmon, and I like sushi, so therefore this slime is already inherently better. The nail polish definitely turned it into kind of like this orange color, which I actually don't mind. It's a lot better than what it was before. So I'm gonna say that this slime gets bumped up from a 1 to about a 2. And now we can put it back on the shelf, and maybe it'll get used in TikTok in the future. This third slime really just looks like concrete. Oh, okay, so it's actually not too bad of a color, but it's got some really pretty sprinkles and some hearts. This would actually make a great moon themed slime. It feels actually really good. It's activated properly. Oh, you can see kind of like all the sprinkles that ended up on the bottom here. I do like the butter slimes. They tend to last a good amount of time. It does have some sort of a scent, but I can't figure out what it is. Just smells like fresh. With some good theming, I think just like a space charm, I think this slime could be really good. So I'm gonna give this one a 3 stars. Let's move on to our next one. Our fourth slime is actually awesome. This one, I added a ton of neon pigment into it, so it's a really saturated slime. And I just love the way this one looks. Like it looks how I picture I want slime to be, especially to somebody who's never played with slime before. Look how reflective it is. It's just so bright. It's actually activated pretty well. It's just ever so slightly sticky, but overall this slime is awesome. If you guys want to see this slime in the shop, maybe comment down below. I can put a good word in with the boss. I'm gonna have to give this one a solid 5 stars. This color is just amazing. Let's move on to our 5th slime. This might be your most expensive slime, so if you saw our 40 days to 4 million subscriber challenge, you know that this slime actually was made with Gucci and Saint Laurent lipstick, and then we scented it with some Gucci perfume. So this slime smells actually very nice, and it looks really cool. So it's actually just a clear slime. It's kind of nice and like semi-transparent. I feel like if Gucci or Saint Laurent was gonna make a slime, this is what they should make. I'm gonna give this one a 5 stars because I think this one is basically perfect, other than the color being a little bland, but I'll forget it because the smell is so good. Anyways, let's move on to our next slime. This next slime kind of gives me cottagecore vibes because of the color. It's kind of this not so pretty green color. This one is a butter slime that that is, I think, very overactivated. Look at it. You can see the shape of this lid. That's not how slime should be. This is kind of colored like swamp algae. So I'm gonna give this one a 1 star. Let's spin the wheel and see how we're gonna fix this slime. Glitter, let's try to fix this slime using some amazing glitter. We're over by all of the glitters at Peachybbies and we have so many to choose from. I wanna pick out a glitter that will actually change the color since the color looks kind of meh. Now this one, woo-wee, that is calling my name. I didn't mean to, just coming out. Okay, this is looking much better. Let's just mix this in here. We wanted something that changed the color of this slime, and I think this definitely did. All right, let's mix this in, and let's see what color it's gonna make. Whoa, it looks kind of cool. Look at that, that is funky. I don't know how to describe this one. It's kind of giving me a zombie girl vibe, which I think is perfect since Halloween is coming up. Now that this slime is fully transformed, instead of zombie girl vibes, it's kind of giving me cool reptile scale vibes. I'm gonna give this one a 3 star. Let's see what our next slime is gonna be. We have this like purple puff one, and it's funny because it kind of smells like chocolate. I don't know what was going on here because this really looks like kind of like a Cocoa Pebbles situation, but it's a butter slime. Why did they add these foam beads in here? I don't know, because these do not go together. But overall, I like the color of this one. But I do have to say, this slime is a 4-star slime. So this one's pretty sweet, but I think our next one's gonna be even better. I may have lied, so I apologize in advance. This one is definitely not better than our last one. However, I do think it is special. It is a really great snowfish slime. We're gonna actually take this one out of the container so I can show you just how snowy the snowfish slime is. This thing is crazy because it's like really overactivated and it's so thick with snow that it definitely needs more glue, but it's kind of more like a solid object than it is like a stretchy object. I should not be able to hold slime for this long. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, if I try to rip it, like, I mean, I guess it does rip, but it doesn't really have a pull. This one at least has the history about it being the most snowy slime in the world, and that pink color is perfect. Barbie would be so proud at this color. So I'm gonna give this one a 3 star. I think we maybe have the best one for last, but we have to find out because I can only see it from the side, and oh, why is there just a bunch of glitter? I mean, you know, it is a clear slime. It does feel pretty good, but it's just the lack of creativity that is just driving me crazy. They just were like, glitter everything. Like, that doesn't just fix the slime. So I'm giving this one a 1 star. We're gonna do the wheel of improvement, and whatever it says, we're gonna do. Give me something good. Gel dye. All right, gel dye, I can live with. Now I gotta pick out a gel dye. So Dan, pick out a number 1 through 10.
6.
Dan said 6, so I'm gonna close my eyes and we're just gonna kind of go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is gonna be the color that we're gonna be using. Orange, I mean, yay, orange. Let's go, guys, let's add this in the slime. Let's throw some dye on this slime, and we gotta make it so pretty, even though I picked Sunset Orange. That's my bad, y'all. Dan technically did pick 6, so therefore it's not my fault. You can just blame Dan in the comments. This slime's actually activated super well, but now we gotta give it a good theme. Oh my God, wait, it's like gold. I didn't even see this. Maybe I wouldn't have given it a 1 if I knew that there was gold underneath here. I mean, I may have hit the jackpot. We don't know if it's real or not. Honestly, what do you guys think of this? It's kind of got a bronze gold look to it. It's low-key kind of looking sweet. Very metallic. Oh yeah, look at that orange coming through. This color looks pretty freaking sweet. You know what? I'm gonna go out on a limb here, and I'm gonna give this one a 5. You heard it here, folks. We turned a 1 slime into a 5-star slime. That's a 4-star transformation. And that was because Dan told me to do it.
6.
And also the wheel of improvement. There you have it. We ranked 9 graveyard slimes. And here is my final list along with our 3 slimes that we transformed. Make sure you comment down below which is your favorite slime. Make sure you like the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.